Hi, today we will connect with our pendulum, or you can say, I will teach you to how to program your pendulum so that you can get some accurate answers. So, whenever you will do a session, I request you to do this particular meditation to make a connection with your pendulum. So, let's begin. I request you to please close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale out. Now again take a deep breath in and again exhale out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Calm your mind, relax your mind, focus on your breath. Just observe. Now, take a deep breath in, hold it, exhale. Now take a deep breath in, hold it, exhale. Now take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale. Now again take a deep breath in, hold it, and then exhale. Now simply just observe your breath. Now hold your pendulum between your palms and make Namaste pose. Now it's time to call your spirit guides, your guardian angels, your archangels, or your favorite gods and goddesses. Just call them with love. Dear spirit guides, dear angels, dear archangels, dear gods, goddesses, I request you to connect with me through this pendulum. I would like to thank you for this beautiful human life. Thank you so much for everything in my life. But sometimes I really seek for some guidance in many situations of my life. I want to make this pendulum a medium between you and me, between me and the universe, my higher self, my guides, my spirit guides, between you and me, so that I can get my answers and guidance accurately. This will really help me in my decision making. Please connect with me. Now say, this pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. Just focus on this pendulum, how it feels in your palms. Just focus on this pendulum and say in your mind that this pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. This pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. Now keep this pendulum on your crown chakra and visualize a violet color light is coming out from your crown chakra and entering into this pendulum. Visualize this and say, this pendulum is connected with my crown chakra. This pendulum is connected with my crown chakra. This pendulum is connected with my crown chakra. Now place this pendulum on your third eye, that is between your eyebrows, and visualize a dark purple or can say bluish light is coming out from your third eye chakra and entering into this pendulum. Now say, this pendulum is connected with my third eye. This pendulum is connected with my third eye. This pendulum is connected with my third eye. Now place this pendulum on your throat chakra and visualize a blue color light is coming out from your throat chakra and entering into this pendulum. Visualize this. Now say, this pendulum is connected with my throat chakra. This pendulum is connected with my throat chakra. This pendulum is connected with my throat chakra. Now place this pendulum on your heart chakra and visualize a green color light is coming out from your heart and it's entering into this pendulum. It's going inside to this pendulum. And now say, this pendulum is connected with my heart chakra. This pendulum is connected with my heart chakra. This pendulum is connected with my heart chakra. Now again, hold this pendulum between your palms and say again, this pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. This pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. This pendulum is connected with my subconscious mind. Now, rub your palms, feel the heat, and now place this pendulum between your palms and visualize that a white light is coming out from your palms, from your hand chakras and filling into this pendulum. You may feel some energy sensation also while doing this. But if you don't feel anything, then that is also fine. Just focus, a white light is coming out and entering to this pendulum. Now this pendulum is totally connected with your energy. Now you can start asking your questions, whatever you have. Now you're connected with your guides, spirit guides, angels, or any gods and goddesses. Now you can proceed further. Get your answers from them. Thank you so much and namaste.